Madison looked like the luckiest girl in school. Everyone wanted to be her friend, but she had a big secret. Inside, she felt like a robot pretending to be human. Every day she wore a mask of perfection, and she was exhausted.
Madison, should we go to Jake's pool party or Emma's sleepover Saturday?
Madison's stomach twisted into knots.
I'll text you later.
Her smile was as fake as a plastic flower. Oliver was famous for being the smartest kid in 4th grade, but being a genius was like carrying a backpack full of rocks.
Yo, Oliver, let's shoot some hoops.
Can't, gotta study for next week's test.
Dude, that test is in 7 days.
But Oliver's brain was his own worst enemy. While other kids worried about video games, Jaylen worried about real stuff. The electricity got shut off again. Empty fridge again. 4 miles to school. That's like walking to the moon when you're hungry and tired. At school, kids whispered and pointed, but they had no clue.
All students report immediately to the auditorium for a special presentation.
Madison thought, thank goodness, no lunch drama. Oliver groaned about wasted study time. Jaylen just wanted to sit down, but something felt different about today. The two people on stage wore jeans and had kind smiles, not suits and stern faces.
Okay, kids, prepare to have your minds blown. You've got a superpower hiding inside you, and we're going to prove it with actual science.
Ready for this? Your belly has 500 million brain cells. That's why when something feels wrong, your tummy knows it. Your gut is literally a second brain.
But wait, there's more. Your heart has 40,000 brain cells, and it sends more messages to your head brain than your head brain sends back. Your heart is basically texting your brain all day long.
Oliver's eyes went wide. Real science, not fairy tales. Madison felt tears building. Maybe there was hope for her after all.
Here's the problem, though. Life is like having 50 TVs on at once. So much noise you can't hear your own inner wisdom screaming for attention.
Time to activate your superpower. It's called heart breathing, and it takes just 30 seconds. Hand on heart, everyone. Now breathe like your heart has its own nose, slow and deep right through your chest. Last step, think of something awesome. Your dog, your grandma, pizza night, whatever makes you genuinely happy. Don't just think it, feel it like sunshine in your chest.
Boom! See that? Your heart rhythm just got smooth as butter.
3 secret codes to remember. Code 1. Your body is a truth detector. Light, floaty feeling means yes, this is right. Heavy, tight feeling means nope, stop, wait. Code 2. Real wisdom feels calm like a lake. Fear feels crazy like a tornado. Code 3. This works anywhere. Before tests, fights, choices, anything. Just breathe, feel, listen.
This isn't about being perfect robots, it's about being perfectly you.
Madison's phone was having a panic attack. 47 messages about weekend plans. But instead of her usual freak out, she remembered the heart trick. Hand on chest, breathe deep, think of happiness.
Forget parties. I want to paint.
By Friday, she was posting her art online. Less likes, but way more real. Test tomorrow. Oliver's usual plan involved studying until his eyeballs fell out. But at 10 p.m., he tried the heart GPS thing.
Your brain is full. Sleep will help you more than more studying.
Next day, miracle alert. The test was easier because his rested brain worked like a well-oiled machine instead of a rusty bike. His grades stayed perfect, but even better, those stomach monsters moved out. Another late morning, but this time Jaylen tried the heart compass before panicking. Breathe, happy thought, listen.
Ask for help.
I need help. Mom works 3 jobs, no electricity, I take care of my siblings. I try so hard, but I'm drowning.
Oh, honey, why didn't you tell me sooner?
By Friday, fairy godmother-style help appeared, free bus ride, free breakfast, electricity bill assistance. But the biggest change was inside. Jaylen learned that superheroes ask for backup. The heart trick spread like the best kind of virus. Madison started a Be Real club where kids could drop their masks. Oliver taught heart breathing before every test. Test anxiety vanished like morning mist. Jaylen created a secret support squad for kids with secret struggles. The three former strangers became best friends and won the science fair, proving heart breathing actually worked.
You discovered the biggest secret. Your answers live inside you, not outside.
I thought I needed everyone's approval. Turns out I just needed to hear my own heart.
Multiple brains in our body. Science is even cooler than I thought.
Grandma always said, listen to your inner voice. Now I know the science behind her wisdom.
500 kids breathing as one connected to the superpower they'd carried all along.